it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. So I haven't washed my hair in almost 2 weeks because I've been super busy. So I've been wrapping my hair back in this puff, and I use elastics like this because they don't have the metal clasp, therefore they don't rip my hair out, and I love it. I do have product residue that's showing and my scalp was itching, so now is the perfect time to wash my hair. I will be showing you the products that I've been loving, so maybe you could try them out and you'll love them also. First, I'm going to divide my hair into quadrants as I always do so I can have better manageability over my hair, and also working the products in, making sure they get worked over all of my scalp and also down the length of my hair. After my hair has been divided into fours, I'm going to start by misting each section with a good amount of water. This is going to add moisture, and it also helps me to gently detangle my hair. When I'm applying any product to my hair, it just applies a lot smoother and more evenly when water is being added. For my pre-poo, I'm using the MoKnowsHair Scalp and Curl Clarifier, and I absolutely love this because it really cleans and clarifies my scalp. I just feel it working so well, and it also clumps my curls together every single time I use it, and that's a great sign for me. I often look for products that are going to make my hair feel this good and my curls look so juicy and bouncy. I love seeing that. It lets me know that moisture is being added to my hair, also that the product is working very good. So you can already see how well this product is lathering on my scalp and down the length of my hair, which is amazing for me. I really want, as the bottle reads, it's a scalp and curl clarifier. So because I haven't washed my hair in almost 2 weeks, I really need my scalp and hair to be clarified because that product builds up. I've also been outside, so about every day I go to either the park or the lake with my children. I get some exercise, and this is how I'm able to, get some fresh air also while I'm doing everything, and my children are nice and happy. So this really needs to be applied to my hair and scalp. I apply a generous amount of this to my scalp and just work it down the length of my hair. It really helps me to detangle my hair as well, which is another reason why it's one of my favorites. Any product that makes taking care of my hair a lot easier, also while adding moisture and not stripping the moisture out of my hair, is a win for me. And reading the back of this bottle, it says healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp, and I truly believe that. As I'm always telling you, make sure you pay attention to your scalp. You really want your scalp to be nice and clean so it has a healthy environment overall for your hair to grow. And look how poppin' these curls are. I just love the results I get every single time. Also, this product helps to remove pollutants and build up without stripping the natural oils to reveal balanced scalp and curls. And I totally agree with this, and that's why I chose to use it this time, because I need to get all the pollutants removed from being outside every day. And also, product builds up and also just natural buildup on my scalp. This was the perfect option for me as a pre-poo. And this product is very easy to use, especially with the applicator tip. I just apply it directly to my roots and work it in on my scalp, my roots, and down the length of my hair. And look how juicy my curls look. So now, after I've applied it to all 4 sections, worked it in well, I'm ready to rinse it out and start the shampooing process. And I use very warm water to help rinse this product out, and warm water also helps to open the hair's cuticles, and it's best used for cleansing the hair. And here's how my hair looks after I have rinsed everything out, and it looks so good. I could tell I have a little bit more of the Scalp and Curl Clarifier, more so on my roots, so I did take more time to make sure that it's rinsed out once my hair was back into quadrants. And this is another reason why I love doing it, because I can really get close to my scalp. So for my shampoo, I'm going to use the Purezero Moisturizing Shampoo. This does have coconut oil in it, and I know coconut oil works so well in my hair. And I also love how affordable this product is. It's only $7 for the shampoo. It lathers up so well, and I love a good lather. I am pretty heavy-handed with all my products, so I'm pretty sure by now you could tell, but I just love the results that I get every single time when I am heavy-handed, and it just works well for me. So if you're heavy-handed, it works well for you. Keep doing that, sis. Like, This is what I love to do. I just had a lot of comments talking about how much product I use, but it works for me this way, especially when I'm using shampoo. I can really feel my scalp and my hair so clean, but not stripped of any moisture, because I do use shampoos, conditioners, and deep conditioners that are good for my hair. Also, even when I'm applying my treatments and I use a lot of products, I just feel that TLC being added to my hair versus not using a good amount of that product, and then my hair, it just doesn't feel as good as if I wouldn't. So it works for me. I've been doing this for years, and I'm going to continue doing it this way. And I love how creamy this shampoo is. It just lathers on so smooth, so silky, very moisturizing. I can't say enough about this shampoo. Also, there's zero sulfates, parabens, dyes, phosphates, phthalates, and gluten, hence the name Purezero. And it's affordable. I think you definitely get your money's worth with this shampoo. After I've applied and worked the shampoo in all 4 sections, I'm going to remove all the clips and massage my scalp, really getting that blood flowing, and also making sure that I didn't miss any areas of my hair, but I pretty much doubt it because I love to lather. The shampoo's so good. But once I'm really comfortable with how my hair feels, especially after a good scalp massage, I'm going to rinse the shampoo out with warm water. And I spend a good amount of time making sure the shampoo is rinsed out of my hair and also my scalp, because I don't want any shampoo residue, because that will cause irritation. And putting my hair back into quadrants, I'm going to saturate my hair with lukewarm water. So not as warm as before with the shampoo, but lukewarm. This really helps my conditioner penetrate a lot better into my hair, and I'm using the OLAPLEX No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. I love this conditioner so much. It helps to repair, strengthen, and hydrate my hair for sure. So one thing no one knows until now is I washed my hair 6 times in 2 weeks, which is another reason why I didn't wash my hair for another 2 weeks, because I was doing partnerships and also one time for myself. And this was the conditioner I used every single time that I had to wash my hair, except the first time within those 2 weeks. And it definitely helped to make sure that my hair didn't get damaged. It helped to make sure it stayed strong for sure. And also my hair was nice and hydrated. It didn't get frizzy or brittle. My hair definitely held up. The elasticity was there. My curls were popping even when I rinsed this conditioner out. So for that reason, it has to be in this video. And also another tip that I can give you is make sure that you work your conditioner in. You rake it in with your fingers, also combing it in. It really helps to distribute the conditioner and make sure that it's being penetrated into your hair. And furthermore, I like to twist my hair with the conditioner in, because it really helps to soak in my hair, especially when I wrap it up and clip it. It just works so well. And then I'm gonna go back to the first section and apply my deep conditioner. I've been doing this for years, and it really helps to retain moisture in my hair, and I love it. After I've applied the conditioner to all 4 sections, making sure that it's worked in very well and twisted it, I'm gonna go back to the very first section from when I applied the conditioner, unravel the twist, and rinse it with cool water. As I'm rinsing the conditioner out, I'm making sure that I don't wring the water out. I leave it nice and saturated. And for my deep conditioner, I'm using the BRIOGEO Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. Now, let me tell you, this mask is so amazing. It's also protein free, and that's another reason why I think I love it. I have found that a lot of protein free products work very well in my hair, both on my medium porosity section in the back and my low porosity section in the front. And I think it's very important to find products that work on all of your hair. And many of us even have different curl patterns, so it's totally fine. Just choose the right products for your hair. I just love the overall way it penetrates into my curls so easily and quickly. Also, it just leaves my hair feeling so moisturized, refreshed, and like it really got that TLC. And by leaving the conditioner in for a few minutes while I work on the other parts of my hair, you can really see how well the conditioner penetrates, which is why I love doing this step. It's almost like a deep conditioning twice, but when I deep condition, my hair really thanks me for it. And I use half a palm size of this deep conditioner in my hair, and it just penetrates so well, especially with my low porosity section. I will be making a video on porosity so that it's easier to understand when I'm consistently talking about porosities in my video. It's just with the low porosity, I find that I have to work a little bit more just to make sure that the products work in my hair. And after I work the deep conditioner in very well, I'm going to remove all the clips and then put a plastic cap on and massage my hair while the plastic cap is in. I find that doing this, it just helps for the deep conditioner to penetrate a little bit more. I let the deep conditioner sit in for about 12 minutes while I took my extended shower, and I'm gonna rinse it out with cold water, as cold as I could stand it, and this really helps to lock that moisture in my hair. Also, by using cold water, it helps to close the hair's cuticles and pores on the scalp. Also, seal that moisture in, preventing frizz, flatten the hair, and helps increase shine. That's definitely a plus that I love to use cold water for. And here's how my hair looks, product free, and it feels so moisturized, so soft. I love the way my curls clump together, and I'm just going to put a cotton t-shirt on to help soak the excess water in my hair before styling. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give me a like and subscribe if you're not, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.